Question is given x square root of x whole square is equal to 8. We have to find out the value of x here. X is equal to what? Let's see solution. Now x square root of x whole square is equal to 8. This is given. If we are separating this square, so x square times square root of x whole square is equal to 8, right? Therefore we can write this x square times this square root is cancelled from this square, so x is equal to 8, right? Now x power 2 and here x power 1, so we can write this x power 3. X power 3 is equal to 8, or in equation form we can write x power 3 minus 8 is equal to 0. Now x power 3 minus 8 is, we can write 2 power 3, that is 8, is equal to 0. Now you can see this is the form of a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube is equal to, this is the formula, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. This is the formula of a cube minus b cube. Now we are using this formula here, x cube minus 2 cube. So value of x cube minus 2 cube is equal to, we can write here, minus 2. A minus b, that is x minus 2 times x square plus 2x plus b square, that is 2 2s are 4, is equal to 0. Now x minus 2, we got here two equation, x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x square plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. So first equation, that is x minus 2 is equal to 0, and next one is x square plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now x minus 2 equal to 0, therefore we can say x is equal to 2. So this is the first value of x, or you can say x1 is equal to 2. Now in next term, x square plus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. So here a is equal to 1, coefficient of x square, that is a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 4. Now we know the formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now using this formula here, minus b, that is minus 2 plus minus b square 2 square minus 4 times a 1 times c 4 upon 2 times a, right? Now is equal to minus 2 plus minus b square, 2 2s are 4 minus 4 4s are 16, 4 minus 16 divided by 2 is equal to minus 2 plus minus, now 4 minus 16 minus 12 divided by 2, now is equal to minus 2 plus minus. Now this minus 12 we can write 4 3s are 12, so 4 times 3, 4 3s are 12 times minus 1, because here minus 12 divided by 2 is equal to minus 2 plus minus. Now this 4 square root of 4, so we can write this 2, right? So 2 square root of 3, and this is minus 1, so minus 1 we can write here I square, this is I square divided by 2. Now is equal to, this square is cancelled from this square root, so we can write minus 2 plus minus 2i square root of 3 divided by 2, right? Now we can take here 2 common, so when we are taking common 2, so 2 minus 1 plus minus I square root of 3 divided by 2. Now this 2 is cancelled from this 2. So we can say here value of x is equal to -1 plus minus I square root of 3. This is the value of x. So we can say we already got one value, that is x1 is equal to 2. This is x2 is equal to -1 plus I square root of 3, and x3 is equal to -1 minus I square root of 3. This is imaginary solution, this one imaginary solution, and this is real solution, x1 is equal to 2. This is real solution. So we can verify this value, real solution. Now let's verify this value. Let's verify. So question is x square root of x whole square is equal to 8. This is question. If value of x is equal to 2, we have to verify this value. Now x, that is 2 square root x 2 whole square question mark 8, right? Now so we can write, when we are separating this term and taking square separate, so we will get here 2 square times, this is square root of 2, so square root of 2 and square question mark 8, right? Now 2 square, that is 4, 2 2s are 4 times. Now here square root of 2 and here square, so this square we can cancel from this square root, so 4 here times 2 question mark 8. Now 4 2s are 8, so 8 is equal to 8. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So we can say here value of x is equal to 2. This is correct solution. Now we got here x1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to -2, x2 is equal to -2, x2 is equal to -1 plus I square root of 3, and x3 is equal to -1 minus I square root of 3. So this is 3 solution of x1, x2 and x3. Thank you.